Seese Well Drilling of Clarksville, Michigan is a family-owned and operated business and have been serving the surrounding community since 1967. We definitely have the knowledge and experience when it comes to well drilling. Treat your well like an investment by coming to Seese Well Drilling. Services include, but not limited to, 2 to 6 inch wells drilled, repaired, and maintained, geothermal drilling, water systems and services, and much more. You can rest assured that we have the necessary equipment and experience to get the job done right. We serve residential, agricultural, and commercial customers year-round. Eliminate the worries about poor quality workmanship by taking advantage of our true 5-year warranty that comes with every new well. We are a full-service company for all water well types and pump types. We even offer water filtration services. Call us today at 616-693-2103. The well we drill today is our reputation tomorrow.